Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the Nokia Arson 5G 2023. In this video, we'll dive into the release date, specs, and price of this highly anticipated smartphone. As we all know, Nokia has been a prominent player in the mobile industry, consistently delivering quality devices with remarkable performance. And the Nokia Arson is no exception. Let's explore what makes this phone so popular. But before we jump into the details, I know you're eager to know when this phone will hit the market. While Nokia Mobile hasn't officially announced the release date, our sources indicate that the Nokia Arson is expected to be launched on December 20th this year. Mark your calendars. However, based on our analysis, we've come up with estimated prices for different countries. Keep in mind, these are subject to change once Nokia makes their official announcement. In the USA, you can expect the Nokia Arson to be priced at $650. For our friends in the UK, it will likely be around €577. In Bangladesh, it's projected to be 55,219 Bangladeshi takas. In India, the estimated price is 49,372 Indian rupees. Malaysians can look forward to getting their hands on it for 2,775 Malaysian ringgit. Singaporeans, the Nokia Arson might cost around 905 Singapore dollars, while in the Philippines, it's estimated to be 32,680 Philippine pesos. Now, let's delve into the impressive specifications and features that make the Nokia Arson a standout choice. As mobile users, we all know that the display plays a vital role in our smartphone experience. The Nokia Arson boasts a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED screen. With complete HD or high-quality footage, you can enjoy the highest visual fidelity. Additionally, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. Now, let's talk about photography. Nokia understands the importance of a high-quality camera. The Nokia Arson delivers on this front with its impressive camera setup. It features a primary 108-megapixel lens, a secondary 32-megapixel shooter, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Plus, the 48-megapixel front-facing camera comes equipped with hands-free capabilities for capturing live photos and videos. In conclusion, the Nokia Arson 5G 2023 is set to make waves in the smartphone market. With its exceptional specifications, stylish design, and innovative features, it's bound to capture the attention of tech enthusiasts like us. Remember to stay tuned to our website for the latest updates on the upcoming Nokia Arson 5G. If you have any questions about the release date, price, features, or concept of this incredible smartphone, feel free to drop us a comment below. Your opinion matters to us. Presenter, thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified. Until next time, this is Vickers Carter signing off. Happy exploring, tech enthusiasts.